Have you ever wished you could delegate hours of research, analysis, content creation, and complex online tasks to an AI assistant that actually supports your productivity? Imagine giving a single instruction and watching an AI agent browse websites, collect information, analyze data, generate reports, create content, and deliver structured outputs that you can review and refine. Well, that's exactly what Manus AI is designed to do. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about Manus AI, including how to sign up, how it works, its major features, and a complete real-world workflow, so you can see the power of autonomous AI agents in action. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, entrepreneur, researcher, freelancer, student, or business owner, this platform can help you automate parts of your workflow that normally take significant time to complete. So if you're ready to see the future of AI productivity, let's dive in. First, open your browser and visit the official Manus AI website. Once you're on the homepage, click the sign up button. You can create an account using your email address or continue with your Google account for a faster registration process. After creating your account and logging in, you'll arrive at the Manus AI dashboard. The interface is clean, modern, and designed to make complex AI automation simple for everyone. One thing worth mentioning is that users who sign up through the referral link in the description can explore Manus with available credits to test its capabilities. Now let's see how Manus actually works. Unlike traditional AI chatbots that simply answer questions, Manus functions as an AI agent. This means you don't just ask questions, you assign tasks. Manus then plans the workflow, performs research, gathers information, analyzes findings, and generates structured outputs for review. Let's start with a practical example. Suppose I want to research the AI video editing market. Instead of manually opening dozens of websites and collecting information myself, I can simply enter a prompt such as research the top AI video editing platforms in 2026, compare their pricing, features, strengths, weaknesses, and provide recommendations. After submitting the task, Manus begins working. You can watch as it searches the web, visits relevant sources, gathers information, compares products, and organizes everything into a structured report. The impressive part is that Manus can assist with multi-step workflows without requiring constant instructions after every step. Once the task is complete, Manus generates a comprehensive report containing research findings, comparisons, summaries, and actionable insights. This alone can significantly reduce the manual effort required. Now let's move to another powerful use case. Content creation. Let's say you're planning a blog post, YouTube video, or marketing campaign. Simply enter a prompt like, create a complete content strategy for an AI software review channel, including content ideas, SEO topics, publishing schedule, and audience growth recommendations. After launching the task, Manus starts building a detailed strategy. It researches trends, identifies potential growth opportunities, organizes ideas, and prepares a professional plan. The final output includes structured recommendations that can help creators scale their content production more efficiently. Next, let's look at business research. Imagine you're considering launching a new product. You can ask Manus to perform market analysis, competitor research, customer profiling, pricing analysis, and opportunity assessment. For example, analyze the AI productivity software market, and identify potential growth opportunities for a new startup. Manus gathers data from multiple sources and generates a detailed business intelligence report. This can help entrepreneurs make better decisions without spending significant time researching manually. Another powerful capability is report generation. Many professionals spend countless hours preparing reports, presentations, and documentation. With Manus, you can automate much of this process. Simply describe the report you need. Manus collects relevant information, structures the content, and generates a polished output that you can review and refine further. For students and researchers, Manus can assist with information gathering, literature reviews, topic exploration, and research organization. Instead of manually searching through countless resources, Manus streamlines the process and presents findings in a clear format. Freelancers can use Manus for client research, proposal preparation, market analysis, lead generation, and content planning. Marketing teams can use it for campaign planning, competitor monitoring, trend analysis, and audience research. Business owners can automate repetitive information gathering tasks and focus more on strategic decision making. One of the biggest advantages of Manus is its goal-oriented workflow. Traditional AI tools often require back and forth conversations for every step. Manus focuses on understanding your objective and executing the necessary steps to support it. Security and privacy are important considerations. Users are encouraged to review the official privacy policy for detailed and up-to-date information about data handling and protection. As AI agents continue to evolve, tools like Manus are changing how individuals and businesses approach productivity. Tasks that once required multiple tools, extensive manual effort, and significant time investments can now be streamlined through a single intelligent platform. Overall, Manus is much more than a chatbot. It's an AI agent capable of planning, researching, analyzing, and executing tasks with structured outputs you can work from. Whether you're creating content, conducting market research, exploring business opportunities, generating reports, or improving productivity, Manus offers a powerful solution that can help reduce manual effort and improve efficiency. If you'd like to try Manus for yourself, check out the link in the description and explore it with available credits. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tools, software reviews, and productivity tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.